Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, we'll be continuing our web application series and learn how we can create and swipe to refresh feature in our application as well as fix other bugs in our Android application. So let's get started. If you didn't watch my previous series of this video, click here on the I button to watch the previous series of this video. And the sample code of the following video will be in the description. First, we will implement the layout in our XML file. For that, we will create a linear layout and put the whole content into it. So, create a linear layout with an height and width match parent. And last tag of the linear layout, cut it and paste it last of this file. Now it will generate some error. To fix that, give this layout an orientation. We'll give this orientation to vertical. Now for the root layout, we doesn't need that orientation attribute. So delete that. And we'll replace the linear layout with the sweep replace layout. And now give this layout an ID. I'm gonna call it swipe. Now that our XML part is finished, let's switch over to the Java coding part. First, we're gonna create an object of the swipe refresh layout. Call it refresh layout. And now we're gonna initialize that object to its following ID. Now we are gonna call set on fresh refresh listener on this layout. New swipe refresh layout. It gonna give us this on refresh method. And here we're gonna target the web view and call dot reload. Now we also have to detach the listener when the process is complete. For that, let's go to the set web view client, and inside we're gonna create an override method. So press Ctrl O from your keyboard and search for on page finished. And here we're gonna call the refresh layout dot set refreshing to false. And now if you want to customize that refresh layout, or like changing the color of this arrow, here is the code. Just simply call set color scheme colors on that layout and choose your color. I'm gonna choose it blue. And now that bug that we're facing in here, it's when the user go to the second or third web page and press the back button, he does not get to backward. Instead he out of the app. That we're gonna fix it in this video. For that, call on backpaste method out of the on create method. And here we're gonna write if else statement. If target the web view dot can go back, then web view dot go back. That's it guys for today. That's the whole code. And now let's test our application and see how it's work. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel to more content. And thank you guys for watching.